Have you ever wondered how Pilates can transform your body? Well, today we're going to explore just that. Pilates is a physical fitness system that was developed in the early 20th century by a man named Joseph Pilates. Joseph was a German physical trainer who developed this method to rehabilitate soldiers returning from war and later dancers and athletes. Today it's practiced by millions worldwide, and for good reason. Pilates is unique because it focuses not just on physical strength and flexibility, but also on the mind-body connection. It's a holistic approach to fitness, one that combines elements of yoga, martial arts, and Western forms of exercise. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll delve deeper into the principles of Pilates later. One of the key focuses of Pilates is core strengthening. Your core isn't just your abs. It's a complex series of muscles that includes everything from your lower back, hips, and glutes to your pelvic floor and diaphragm. A strong core helps with balance, stability, and overall strength. It also helps prevent injuries and can even alleviate chronic back pain. Pilates exercises are designed to strengthen these muscles through controlled, precise movements. But the benefits of Pilates extend beyond just physical fitness. Regular practice can improve your posture, increase your energy levels, and even help reduce stress. It's a comprehensive approach to well-being that benefits people of all fitness levels. So whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to supplement your training, a beginner just starting your fitness journey, or someone looking for a gentle way to stay active, Pilates has something to offer you. It's a versatile and adaptable method that can be tailored to meet individual needs and goals. As we delve into this journey, expect to experience a transformation not just in your body, but in your overall health and well-being. Before you start your Pilates workout, it's essential to understand what we refer to as the core. When we talk about the core, we're not just referring to your six-pack or abs. The core, in its entirety, is a complex series of muscles that extends far beyond your abs, including not just the front of your body, but also your sides and back. Imagine your core as a muscular corset, wrapping around your entire body from your lower back, extending to the front and around your sides. This muscular corset is composed of multiple layers of muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles. Now let's delve a little deeper. Your abs, or more scientifically, your rectus abdominis, is the muscle that creates the coveted six-pack look. It's the most superficial of your core muscles. Your obliques, on the other hand, are situated on your sides and are responsible for lateral flexion and rotation of your torso. Lastly, your lower back muscles, primarily the erector spinae, run along your spine and are crucial for maintaining proper posture and alignment. Why is understanding this important, you might ask? Well, a strong core doesn't just give you a toned midsection. It is the power station of your body. Strengthening your core muscles can help improve your posture, as these muscles provide the support needed to maintain the proper upright position. It decreases the risk of injury, as a robust core can take the burden off your back and lower body during physical activities. Moreover, a strong core boosts your overall fitness levels, enhancing your balance, stability, and power. It can improve your performance in every physical activity, from simple day-to-day tasks like lifting groceries or climbing stairs, to more strenuous activities like running marathons or lifting heavy weights at the gym. So when you're working on your core in Pilates, remember, it's not just about the abs. It's about the entire muscle system that supports your torso and ultimately your whole body. With a strong core, you can improve your performance in every physical activity, from lifting groceries to running marathons. Pilates isn't just about exercises, it's a discipline, a way of life, and it all starts with understanding its basic principles. First up is centering. This principle is all about bringing your focus to the center of your body, your powerhouse. It's here in your core where all Pilates movements originate. You're not just throwing your body around aimlessly, you're moving with purpose, with control, and it all starts from the center. Next, we have concentration. Concentration in Pilates means being fully committed to each movement. It's about directing all your attention to the muscle you're working. You're not just going through the motions, you're actively engaging your mind in every move. Then there's control. Pilates isn't about speed or repetitions, it's about doing each movement with maximum control. This isn't a race, it's a journey, and on this journey, every move you make should be deliberate and controlled. Precision follows control. Here, it's not about how many exercises you can do, but how well you can do them. Precision in Pilates means paying attention to the details, ensuring that each movement is as accurate as possible. It's about quality, not quantity. The fifth principle is breath. In Pilates, breath isn't just about keeping you alive, it's a tool. It's about using your breath to guide your movements, to help you engage your muscles. You're not just breathing, you're using your breath to fuel your movements. Finally, we have flow. This principle is about making your movements flow seamlessly into one another. It's about creating a rhythm, a dance. You're not just doing a series of exercises, you're performing a flowing, graceful routine. By integrating these principles into your routine, you can maximize the benefits of your Pilates workout. Proper preparation is key to an effective Pilates workout. Let's look at how you can set yourself up for success. First things first, your workout space. It's crucial to have a suitable area where you can move freely and focus on your exercises. You don't need a gym or a studio. A small, quiet corner of your home will do just fine. Just ensure there's enough room for you to stretch out comfortably. Next, let's talk about what you should wear. Comfort is the name of the game here. Your clothing should be flexible and breathable, allowing you to move with ease. Avoid loose clothing that may get caught up during your workout. And remember, Pilates is usually done barefoot, so don't worry about the shoes. Now, onto the mat. A good Pilates mat is slightly thicker than your average yoga mat, providing cushioning for your spine during the exercises. Your mat is your personal space, your foundation. It's where you'll be challenging and strengthening your core, so make sure it's comfortable and supportive. Hydration is another key aspect to consider. It's important to stay hydrated before, during, and after your workout. Keep a bottle of water handy and remember to take small sips regularly. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and decreased performance, so don't neglect this aspect. But what about food, you might wonder? Eating a light meal or snack about 1 to 2 hours before your workout can provide you with the necessary energy. Opt for something easy to digest, like a banana or a handful of almonds. Avoid heavy meals that might make you feel sluggish or uncomfortable during your workout. So there you have it, your guide to preparing for a Pilates session. Remember, your workout starts long before you roll out your mat. It's about creating the right environment, dressing for success, fueling your body appropriately, and staying hydrated. Remember, preparation is half the battle won, so let's gear up and get ready to strengthen that core with some invigorating Pilates. Never underestimate the power of a good warm-up. It's the first step to a successful Pilates session. Warm-ups serve as a bridge between your body's restful state and the demands of a Pilates workout. It's about gradually stirring the body into action, waking up the muscles, and priming the mind for the session ahead. Let's ease into our warm-up with a simple breathing exercise. Close your eyes, inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a beat, then exhale through your mouth. Imagine your breath filling up your body from your toes to your head, and as you exhale, picture any tension leaving your body. Repeat this 5 times, focusing on each breath, grounding yourself in the moment. Once your body feels relaxed, we'll move on to some gentle neck and shoulder rolls. Slowly roll your head from side to side, feeling the stretch in your neck muscles. Follow this with shoulder rolls, moving in both forward and backward directions. These movements help to release any tension held in these areas and kickstart the circulation. Next, we'll engage our core with some standing pelvic tilts. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, place your hands on your hips, and gently tilt your pelvis forward and then back. This movement not only warms up your core, but also establishes a mind-body connection, which is crucial in Pilates. Moving on, let's warm up our lower body with some knee lifts. Stand tall and lift your knee towards your chest, then alternate with the other knee. This simple exercise gets the heart rate up and prepares your legs for the workout to come. Lastly, let's do some dynamic stretching. A combination of arm swings and leg swings will do the trick. These movements increase your body's temperature and flexibility, preparing your muscles for the Pilates exercises ahead. Remember, the goal of a warm-up is not to exhaust yourself, but to get your body ready for the workout. Listen to your body, move at your own pace, and enjoy the process. A well-executed warm-up prepares your body and mind for the workout ahead. Now that we're warmed up, we're ready to dive into the core of our session, the Pilates exercises. We'll be focusing on deep abdominal strength, flexibility, and control. Let's start with our first exercise, the 100. This exercise is a classic Pilates warm-up designed to get your blood pumping and your muscles warmed up. The 100 starts with you lying on your back. Extend your legs at a 45-degree angle and hold your arms straight down by your sides. Lift your head and shoulders off the mat and pump your arms up and down while breathing in and out through your nose. Aim for 100 pumps, but remember, it's more important to maintain good form than to reach 100. Common mistakes include straining the neck or not keeping the core engaged. If you're a beginner or have a back injury, modify this exercise by bending your knees at a 90-degree angle. Our next exercise is the roll-up. This is a full-body exercise that focuses on the abs and back. Start by lying on your back with your arms extended overhead. Inhale as you lift your arms and head, then exhale as you continue to roll your body up in a smooth, controlled motion. At the top of the movement, your body should form a C shape. Inhale as you start to roll back down and exhale completely once you're lying flat. This exercise is all about control, not speed. A common mistake is to use momentum to sit up rather than engaging your core. If you find it difficult to roll up, you can use a resistance band around your feet for assistance. The single leg stretch is our third exercise. This exercise targets the lower abs and helps improve your balance. Start by lying on your back, then lift your head and shoulders off the mat. Bring one knee into your chest and extend the other leg straight out. Switch legs as you inhale for 1 count and exhale for 1 count. The key to this exercise is to keep your upper body stable and your core engaged. A common mistake is to drop the extended leg too low, which can strain your back. If you're a beginner or have a back injury, modify this exercise by keeping the extended leg higher off the ground. Moving on, we have the double leg stretch. This is a challenging exercise that works the entire core. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent into your chest. Lift your head and shoulders off the mat and extend your arms and legs out in opposite directions. Circle your arms around and bring your knees back into your chest. The goal here is to keep your lower back pressed into the mat and your core engaged the entire time. A common mistake is to let your back arch off the mat when you extend your legs. If you're a beginner or have a back injury, modify this exercise by not extending your legs as far. The next exercise, the spine stretch, is a great way to improve your flexibility and posture. Sit tall with your legs extended in front of you and your feet flexed. Reach your arms out in front of you and imagine a string drawing your head up to the ceiling. As you exhale, round your spine and reach your hands towards your feet. Inhale as you stack your spine back up to a seated position. The goal here is to stretch your spine vertebra by vertebra. A common mistake is to collapse the chest or hunch the shoulders. If you find it difficult to sit tall, you can modify this exercise by bending your knees. Our final exercise is the saw. This exercise strengthens the obliques and stretches the hamstrings and spine. Start by sitting tall with your legs wider than hip width apart and your arms extended to the sides. Twist your torso to one side and reach your hand towards your opposite foot, as if you were sawing off your toe. Return to the center and repeat on the other side. The key here is to twist from the waist, not the shoulders. A common mistake is to reach with the arm rather than twisting the torso. If you have tight hamstrings, you can modify this exercise by bending your knees. Remember to listen to your body and move at your own pace. Consistency is key in Pilates. It's not about perfection, but about steady progress and building a stronger, more flexible body. So keep practicing these exercises and you'll soon see improvements in your strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. Just as we began, we end our session with a cool-down routine. Cooling down after Pilates is an essential part of the whole workout experience. It's the time when we allow our bodies to transition from a state of high energy and exertion back to our normal resting state. Start by taking a moment to just breathe. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, letting your heart rate slow down and your muscles relax. Now let's move on to some gentle stretches. We'll start with the neck. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold for a few seconds, then repeat on the other side. Next, let's stretch out our shoulders. Bring your right arm across your body and gently pull it closer with your left hand. Hold this for a few seconds, then switch to the other arm. For our back and core, a gentle twist will do wonders. Sit tall, cross your right leg over your left, and gently rotate your torso to the right. Hold this pose for a few breaths, then repeat on the other side. Finally, let's not forget about our legs. A seated hamstring stretch should do the trick. Extend your right leg out in front of you and reach towards your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch them, just reach as far as you comfortably can. Hold for a few seconds, then switch to the other leg. Remember, the key to a good cool down is to take it slow and listen to your body. If a stretch feels too intense, ease up a bit. The goal here is not to push yourself, but to help your body recover and prepare for the next workout. Cooling down is crucial to prevent injuries and promote recovery. So always ensure you take a few minutes to cool down after your Pilates session. It's not just about the workout, it's about taking care of your body as a whole. Consistency is key in any fitness regime, and Pilates is no exception. Now that we've leaned into the world of Pilates, it's essential to understand that the benefits of this practice come from maintaining a regular routine. Just like the rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean tides, your Pilates routine should be a constant in your life. This doesn't mean you need to do a full-blown workout every day. Even a few minutes can be beneficial if done consistently. Pilates is a journey, not a destination. It's about strengthening your core, improving your flexibility, and enhancing your overall well-being. These benefits don't happen overnight. They require time, patience, and most importantly, consistency. So how can you maintain a regular Pilates routine? Let's dive into some practical tips. Firstly, scheduling is crucial. Find a time that works for you and stick to it. It could be early in the morning as a refreshing start to your day, or in the evening as a way to unwind. Having a specific time set aside for your Pilates routine creates a sense of structure and helps make it a habit. Secondly, keep it interesting. Variety is the spice of life, and it's no different with Pilates. Mix up your workouts, try new exercises, or even change your environment. This can help keep you engaged and excited about your routine. Thirdly, stay motivated. Set achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Remember, it's not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Keep a record of your workouts. Note down how you felt, the improvements you've made. This can serve as a powerful motivator during those inevitable moments of doubt or fatigue. Lastly, listen to your body. Some days you might feel energized and ready to take on the world. Other days you might need to take it slow, and that's okay. The beauty of Pilates is its adaptability. It's not about pushing your body to the limit. It's about working with your body, respecting its boundaries. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Keep moving, keep improving. As we close our session, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started our journey by introducing Pilates, a unique form of exercise that focuses on balance, concentration, control, centered awareness, fluid movements, and breath. We explored how Pilates is not just a physical exercise, but a holistic approach to wellness that can enhance our quality of life. Our focus then shifted to the core, the powerhouse of our body. We learned about the intricate network of muscles that make up our core and how strengthening these muscles can improve our overall stability and balance. The benefits of a strong core extend beyond the yoga mat, aiding in daily activities and even helping to prevent injuries. We then delved into the basic principles of Pilates, highlighting the importance of precision, control, and fluidity. We learned how these principles are not just applicable to our workout routine, but they can also be incorporated into our everyday life, promoting mindfulness and a greater sense of self-awareness. Preparation is key in any workout routine, and Pilates is no exception. We learned about the importance of setting the right environment, having the right equipment, and being mentally prepared. This preparation sets the stage for a successful Pilates practice. The warm-up, we discovered, is as important as the main workout. It prepares our body and mind for the exercises that follow, reducing the risk of injury and enabling better performance. Our step-by-step guide to Pilates exercises then took us through a series of moves designed to engage and strengthen our core muscles. We also discussed the importance of cooling down after a Pilates session. This helps to relax the muscles, restore normal heart rate and breathing patterns, and promote recovery. Finally, we emphasized the importance of maintaining a Pilates routine. Consistency is key in reaping the benefits of this practice. It's not about how intense your workouts are, but rather about maintaining a regular, balanced routine. With patience, consistency, and determination, Pilates can truly transform your body and your life. Thank you for joining us today. Stay fit and keep moving. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.